Hey guys, you're welcome. Let's make fruit parfait. This is pure fruit parfait. Let's start. Here are the ingredients I'll be using for this fruit parfait. Carrot. Somebody will be asking why carrot. Yes, I want more crunchiness. This is kiwi, apples, my easy peel, and bananas. This yogurt unsweetened with my honey and monkey nuts. You're free to use any nut of your choice. You can use almond nuts, you can use cashew nuts, walnuts, anything. Even you can go ahead and use your granola, but I want these pure fruits today. That's the way I want mine today. So cut your fruits very, very well. Make sure you wash. I washed with salt before I started cutting. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipes. Don't forget to join me. Don't forget to be a part of this channel. Subscription is free. To follow me is free. You can follow me on Facebook. You can follow me on Instagram. You can also subscribe to be a part of this family. Don't forget to share, like this video. This is kiwis. This is the way I want to cut mine today. To my old subscribers, I appreciate you so much. Thanks for tuning in today again. If you're using this tangerine, be careful to check out for the seed. Very, very important. That is why you can see me taking out the seed. Yeah, it's very important. Watch carefully to check out for the seed so that you will not feel bad when you're taking your parfait. So that is it. I love adding carrot to my parfait because I love that crunchiness so much. The other day I even added chin chin. It was yummy. Just anything you want, please feel free to explore. Enjoy. So this is it. My kiwis are ready. This is my tangerine, apple, carrot, my blueberries. This is my monkey nuts. Everything is ready. So set out in a clean plate or in a clean bowl. Add your Greek yogurt. This is unsweetened, like I said before. Add honey to it. I use this beautiful jar for my smoothie sometimes, for my fruit juice, but today I'm using it for parfait. So you can use any transparent jar or you can use your glass cups, anything you want to serve this with, no problem. So please, if you're new to this channel, feel free to like my video, feel free to subscribe. Subscription is free just for you to be getting alerts of my new video. Whenever I post new video, you will get an alert. Wow, ooh, look at that. Isn't this beautiful? This is looking so beautiful. Please, if you have not liked my video, what are you waiting for? Like this video, follow me on Facebook, on Instagram, subscribe to my channel. Oh, I can't wait because I'm taking this for breakfast today. I can't wait to start enjoying this. This is lovely. Cover for my husband. Me, I'm eating mine immediately. Thanks a million for watching. Bye.